Hey everyone, it's Mack from laughingplace.com. We have a special Halloween themed unboxing video for you today. Spooky. I want to say thank you to Hasbro for sending us out a big box of Halloween themed items that we're going to open up and take a look at. I'm really excited to get into some of these new items from Hasbro. So first off, I just wanted to give a look at the box itself, this gigantic Halloween themed box. You can even see like the logos from some of your favorite characters, but also some Halloween touches on there, like this jack-o'-lantern at the top there. So yeah, as you can see, giant box. There's going to be a lot of stuff for us to open up today, so let's get into it. So as you can see, we have quite a large selection of items here. This isn't even all of it. I just can't fit all of it into one frame. So this is just sort of a sampling of what Hasbro sent out to us to share with you guys for Halloween. The complete list includes a Spider-Man Super Web Slinger, Avengers Mask, Spider-Man Hero Mask, X-Men Wolverine Hero Mask, X-Men 97 Slash Action Claw, Strike and Splash Nerf Blaster, Mech Strike Mechasaurus Nerf Blasters, Avengers Hulk Gamma Grip Fists, Avengers Iron Man Flip Mask, and the thing I'm most looking forward to getting into today is the Legend Series Premium Roleplay Helmet. Let's get started with all of this. So again, this is a Halloween gift guide from Hasbro. So every item that we're going to be playing around with today is meant for sort of a Halloween costume kind of vibe. And I figured I'd start off with some of the easiest ones here. We have the Hulk Gamma Grip Fists. Pretty straightforward. Some Hulk hands. You can have a little bit of maneuverability here. Not much. It is kind of, all the fingers are attached and everything. But if you want to have your giant Hulk hands, here you go. Pretty easy solution. There's also, of course, didn't really think this through, but the Hulk mask. I think I'm going to have to take the hands off in order to put the mask on. Hulk. All right, our next item is going to be the Spider-Man Miles Morales mask. And I probably should have mentioned at the top that these are kids' masks. So they're a little bit tight, but yeah, if you want to be Miles Morales. Actually, this one fits a lot better than the Hulk mask. There you go. And this is pretty much what this video is going to be. It's going to be me putting on a bunch of different masks, playing with a few like Nerf blaster type toys. But yeah, if you're looking for a Hasbro or a Marvel Halloween costume, Hasbro has you covered. Miles Morales. All right, our next item is going to be a bit of a step up. We're going to have this Iron Man mask here, and you can see the packaging is immediately different from what we were just playing around with. This was the Miles Morales packaging. The Iron Man mask, obviously a lot more intricate. It does flip up and it has some different electronic features, as you can see on the back here. So let's open this up and play around with it. Okay, so here is our Iron Man flip mask. And basically the feature of this is that when you flip the mask up, it has a light feature on the inside here on the heads-up display, as it would be if you were wearing the Iron Man mask. Now, when you close it, the lights do turn off, but you can put it on here. Again, these are children's masks, so it's a little bit tight on me. So you can pop the mask open, and there you go. It is not the easiest to see. I feel like I do have a Tony Stark thing going on. That works pretty well. But it's not the easiest to see through the lights, but it does work. So, pretty cool. I am Iron Man. All right, we have one more mask to check out, and this is going to be Wolverine. And this is one of two X-Men 97 items they sent us, that Hasbro sent us today. So we're going to check out both the Wolverine mask and the X-Men 97 Wolverine Slash Action Claw. Kind of put together a whole Wolverine costume. Okay, here is our Wolverine mask, and I should mention too, like I've been saying, these are kids' masks. They do have adjustable straps on the back, so I've been saying they're a little tight. You can make them a little bit looser. Again, they are still meant for kids, so they're going to be, the plastic part of it is going to be a little bit small, but here's our Wolverine cowl. I like it. This is actually probably the most comfortable of the masks so far, I think. It does help that it's not hugging my chin here. But you also have the slash action claw, which you just kind of swipe down and then you just push it back in to reload it. And so now you got a full Wolverine costume here. I like this one. I might do this one for Halloween. I think this one works. Okay, we do have a couple more Spider-Man items. We have the Spider-Man Strike and Splash Blaster, and then the Super Web Slinger as well. So we'll open these up and play around with them, and hopefully I don't make too much of a mess. Okay, so we're gonna start off with the Super Web Slinger, and as you might expect, this one does require some assembly here. So you have a few different pieces for the actual launcher. You have a Spider-Man costume glove to complete the look of the Web Slinger, which is pretty awesome. You have a water bottle here because you can shoot water with this, but you also have your canister here of web fluid. And come on, we're gonna try the web fluid. So let me put this all together and try it out.
A few moments later.
Okay, so it took a little bit. I may have made a little bit of a mess, but figured it out. So I've got the Super Web Slinger on my wrist here with the glove and everything. I haven't tested it out yet. Let's see. So you can do the full, again, meant for kids. It's a little bit tight on me, but you can do the full Spider-Man web slinging action. Let's see. Oh boy. Yeah, I've made a mess. Okay, now that I've cleaned up the webs from around my office, and I will say the webs did clean up very easily. They kind of held together very well, so it's just a nice, easy pickup. Let's move on to the Strike and Splash Blaster. Again, as you might expect with the Strike and Splash Blaster, there is going to be some assembly required here. There's a few pieces, not too many. Got the blaster itself, you got sort of the handle here. There is a wrist strap, and then you've got 3 darts as well, because it is a Nerf blaster here. So let's get this all pieced together and have some fun. Okay, pretty easy to assemble here. We've got the Strike and Splash Blaster on my wrist here. This piece, the handle, just kind of snaps right into place. The wrist strap is on there. I didn't put it on because it's just a little bit tight. But again, for kids, it'll be a lot easier. So 2 things this blaster can do. One is you can load the dart right into the front here. And again, it comes with 3 darts. Once you have that in there, you just pull this back. And then this thing is very powerful. Also on the top here, you can load water, just fill it up there, snap the cap back on. And then again, when you push the button on the side here, and there's a button on either side. So if you're left-handed, if you want to put it on your left hand, you can do that too. And then when you push that, it'll shoot water. We're not going to do that because I've already cleaned up enough of a mess today. But again, this thing, just the darts alone, it's pretty powerful. Okay, next we have one more Nerf blaster here. This is the Avengers Mech Strike Mechasaurus Nerf blaster, and this is the Captain America edition, as you can see. Looks like we're gonna be shooting some more darts. Let's see how this goes. Okay, same idea as the Spider-Man blaster. The Captain America Mech Strike blaster has just a little bit of assembly required here. We have the handle that we just have to snap into place. Should be pretty easy. And then we've got 3 darts again that will load up into this. But let me put it together first and we'll try it out. Okay, so again, pretty straightforward. The handle just snaps into place here. I have the wrist strap that I'm not bothering to use right now. You just load the dart right in the front here. Just push that in, and then you pull this back, and the wings come out, because this is Sam Wilson's Captain America, and then, again, really powerful. So and then when you shoot it off to the wings go back in. Try this one more time. Load it up again. Surprised I didn't knock the phone over. Yeah, there's your Mech Strike Mechasaurus Captain America blaster. Okay, and the last piece Hasbro sent us that we're going to be taking a look at today is the one I'm most excited for. It is the Marvel Legends series role-play helmet. Hasbro has quite a few of these. They sent us the Magneto X-Men 97 helmet. So I can't wait to open this up, try it on, and to eventually just have it on display here in my office. Okay, so there is actually some assembly required. Here is the helmet itself, and then it does come with a display stand. And there are a few pieces to the display stand, so we're gonna take a second to put this all together real quick. Okay, here is the display stand all put together. Here is the helmet, and then it does come with these foam pads as well, so you can kind of adjust the fit of the helmet, make it as comfortable as you would want. And then, of course, you can kind of just rest it on the display as well, so that the foam would obviously adjust the way it displays on the stand too. So we'll play around with that, try and get it to fit just the right way. Okay, now that I got the foam pieces put in here, I do feel like it fits a lot better. It's much more comfortable. You can see there are some spots labeled inside the helmet for where you would want to put the foam pieces, kind of make things a little bit more comfortable for you. And then if we go ahead and put it on the display stand here, kind of sits a lot better now too with the foam pieces on there. So there you go. Now you can display your Magneto helmet. Pretty awesome. I'm really excited about this one. So there you go. There is our Halloween gift guide from Hasbro. Thank you again so much to Hasbro for sending us all of these amazing items. These are all available now. So if you want to put together your Marvel Halloween costume, you can do that. You want to be the Hulk, you want to be Wolverine, Captain America, Miles Morales, so many different options, lots of different toys to play with, lots of really cool display items like that Magneto helmet, so many cool things. Thank you again to Hasbro. Had a lot of fun unboxing these items and playing around with them. So thanks again. Keep an eye out for more Marvel content, more Disney content. Keep an eye on the Laughing Place YouTube channel. Be sure to like, subscribe, and we'll see you real soon. Bye.